Hi, welcome to 80 Essex Circle, the newest listing right here in Lexington. It's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 ranch. Let's go inside and check it out because there's so many updates. I can't list them all here. Here is your 1-car garage. And straight to the back is your workroom. It's a nice size. It can be converted into an in-home office. Let's go inside the house and check out the space. As soon as you come in through the garage, you're greeted with a lovely den, nice sliding glass doors, your fireplace. The owners haven't used the fireplace yet, but it's a great bonus room that you can convert into a sitting room, a den, an at-home office. It's very versatile and it leads right into the kitchen. In your kitchen, it's a lovely alleyway kitchen. The washer and dryer, they are selling it with the property. All appliances stay. This house has been recently remodeled. There's upgrades galore. You see floors, cabinets, and then you go straight into your dining area, and it has a bucket window which leads right into the living room. And as soon as you come from the dining room, you go right into the living room. The living room is an ample space. It has nice large windows for nice lighting. And in the back of the house, you have your 3 bedrooms and your 1.5 bath. Let's go inside and check it out. On the back of the house, you have your 3 bedrooms. Here is your first bedroom. Nice closet space. You have carpets. All the bedrooms have carpets in them. Here is your linen closet. So you have good storage. Here is the bathroom. And you have your walk-in stand-up shower. Here is the primary bedroom. And in the primary bedroom, you have a half bath.